welcome to my channel. I'm Ashley Morris, the owner and lead tutor at amtutors.com. In this video, we are going to work on adding and subtracting solve one-step equations, but this time we're using decimals. Do not freak out though. It's everything we already have learned about decimals and solving equations. We're just putting it together, okay? I promise you've got this. All right, so if we've got x plus a number, we know we subtract. It's no different with decimals. We subtract 1.7, and we do it on both sides. Now here's where some people don't like to show their work. I'm going to go ahead and tell you, get out a scratch sheet of paper, do it in the corner of your paper, do something. That way when we are checking your work, or when you're checking your work, right, when you're going back and making sure you did everything you were supposed to do, you know if you got it right or not. You can see the work. All right, we know that x plus 1.7, if I subtract 1.7, I've just got x on that side. We're good because that gave me a plus 0. We don't need to write that. Now this piece, I'm going to come down here. I'm probably not going to have room to check this like a good little math student, but we're going to come down here and we're going to subtract. And the reason we do that is we put the bigger number on top. 1.7 is bigger, so that goes on top. We subtract. It gives me 1.4. And then we've got to think, okay, which one's bigger, the 0.3 or the 1.7? 1.7 is bigger. It has the negative in front of it, so we're going to keep the negative. And I think I do have room if I write small to check this. So let's plug that back in. We've got negative 1.4 plus 1.7. Is that going to equal 0.3? So we do 1.7, bigger number on top, minus 1.4, and we do get 0.3. And then check our signs. 1.7 is bigger than 1.4, so it stays a positive. Look at that. I even had space to check it. So I know that is my answer. All right. Feeling good? Let's try the next one. Again, same process. It's just we're throwing decimals in there, which I know can sometimes make our brain go, decimals. Deep breath. We can do this. All right. We are going to subtract 3.4 from both sides because that will give me an x plus 0 right there. I'm going to come down here. 3.4 minus 2.1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Don't forget your decimal. So I've got 1.3, but let's check that sign. 3.4 is bigger than 2.1, so I need that negative sign. And then if I write small, I think I can check it. 3.4 plus negative 1.3. Does that equal 2.1? Let's see. 3.4 minus 1.3 gives me a 1. Bring down the decimal. Gives me a 2. Gives me a 2.1. And then it looks right, but let's check our sign. 3.4 is bigger than 1.3, so it does stay positive. Yes, we are good to go. I hope that video was helpful. If you have more questions, please reach out to us at amtutors.com. We have certified math teachers that are ready to meet with you online for some tutoring sessions. Also, like and subscribe so you always get the latest and greatest math content when we post it. Have a great day.